So this is a new C8000e ColorWorks label printer, all boxed up, comes on a pallet, would contain a couple of straps on it. So let's have a look what you get in the box. So, as we can see, power cables, USB, manual, sample roller labels, toners. So, let's get it out on the bench. I think what we need to do is remove these plastic clips that will allow us to take the whole top off. We'll remove the foam, and then it's a two-person job to lift it onto the bench. So once out of the box, it comes all wrapped securely. So let's open this up. Just release these little tabs. And here is a shiny new Epson C8000. So clearly all of the blue tape, some foam here, needs to be removed. So let's have a little look at the instructions and get this thing up and running. Right, so the machine is starting to unwrap, and a good thing with these Epsons is the instructions that come with them. It's very straightforward. So we've got 4 steps to what's in the box, getting it, all the sort of tape removed, getting the inks inside, getting the machine plugged in, turned on, and then configuring the system, downloading the driver, and QR codes, so on, for setting up your printer. So yeah, let's get it going. So we'll start removing all of the tape. So there's a little tab on each one. You can just pull them off. Always nice. A shiny new machine to play with. So most of the tape is removed. So these are where our ink containers go in, and then we can lift here. That folds up and gives us access to the last bits of tape. And then this is our C8000. So in the pack, you have a USB, power, obviously instructions, and 4 large ink cartridges. So let's get them put in the machine. So they'll slot in here. This will be our maintenance box, but yeah, we get them loaded in and we should be able to turn the system on. So being that they aren't cartridges anymore and that they are bags, we'll take these trays out. So all shown in the instructions here. So as it's the first time, we'll remove the tab and then we'll put our bag inside here. So no longer ink cartridges with ink bags. So this is for saving weight in terms of shipping and is a bit more environmentally friendly. But yeah, this here, you can see this will basically sit over the tray and then slide into the printer. So let's get this out of the plastic packaging and into the tray. All right, so these bags literally just push into place. I've now got this ready to load in. It slides into the printer. And we take the next one out and we repeat the process. So our ink tanks are all installed. We can close the front up now. We have our power cable connected. So one thing on the C8000 is the front screen is adjustable. then we'll turn it on. So this is the first time, say, the machine's turned on. So we need to choose our language. So we'll just say, okay. We'll put daylight savings on. So just setting the time. So there's 2 inks with this machine. We've got the gloss black installed. So this is decided upon installation of the machine, so you can't switch between gloss and black. So we are gloss black ink. Gloss black ink is selected. So shake the ink supply for about 10 times before installing it. So we've done all of this. So we install the ink and then away we go. So our inks are installed. So we just tell the machine it's installed. Do we want to start initialization? Yes, we do. So now, you can hear this. So now it will be purging all of the sort of shipping fluid through the system. Obviously we're taking the ink in, so there you are. That's going to take around 10 minutes. So we'll leave this initializing until we'll come back probably in about 10-15 minutes and see what it's done. Right, so initialization is complete. So we're okay that. We can see, so one of the key things to be aware of is your maintenance tank. Well, it's halfway full already, and we technically haven't printed a label. This is because the travel fluid or the shipping fluid will have drained and sort of sucked out of the machine and into the waste tank as it's being replaced by our ink. So you can already see our ink levels have gone down ever so slightly. They haven't actually been used, that's just in the tube sort of filling the system. So whenever you purchase, or pretty much any of the C4000, the C6000 range, or the 8000, you really need to purchase an additional maintenance box, you know, at the time of buy. So yeah, that probably won't last us very long, but from the second box onwards, it'll be normal. So yeah, this is it. So we're now going to go and get the driver installed, get some material in it and see what we can print.